I am proud to present the B squared 1000. The B squared 1000 is the first ever motion sensing bike helmet turn signal. Simply by turning your head, it indicates to others that you want to turn a certain direction. The B squared 1000 is based upon the open source Arduino microcontroller. Have you ever been riding with your friends, cruising around the neighborhood, and one of them makes a sharp turn? Well, my invention, the B squared 1000, will fix that. With the simple tilt of a head, you can make sure everybody knows which way you're going so they can slow down and avoid a crash. It's the perfect combination of cool and safe that'll keep you protected while also making you popular. You'll be the life of the party when you're wearing the B squared 1000. Kids love it because it's cool.
Yay!
Parents love it because it's safe. Even dogs love it. Order now for only $19.99 plus shipping and tax. Also, if you order before January 31st, you'll get an extra one free. That's two B squared 1000s for just $19.99.